Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding an under construction or maintenance mode to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you will transform your live site into a temporary placeholder while you work behind the scenes. We will begin by accessing your WordPress site. Start by navigating to WordPress using your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. When you click on the login option, you will be prompted to sign into your account. This is your entry point to the dashboard, a hub where every feature of your website comes together. After clicking the login button, the next step is to use the simplified authentication process. Look for the option that says Continue with Google. This allows you to seamlessly connect your existing Google account to your WordPress site. Once you select that option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the account you normally use to manage your website. This step not only helps streamline your login process, but also adds a layer of convenience by reducing the need for additional passwords. Now that you are logged in, the next destination is the site's settings. Within your dashboard, you need to locate the general settings section. This section is essential because it allows you to customize various aspects of your website. Once you click on the settings link, you will find a menu that includes several configuration options. Your task here is to move specifically to the reading settings. After entering the settings area, locate the option labeled reading. The reading section is where you configure how your website displays its content to visitors. It is in this section that you have the ability to switch your site into a maintenance or coming soon mode. By selecting the reading option, you are accessing a powerful tool that controls which parts of your website are visible while you perform updates or other changes. Within the reading settings, you will find an option designed specifically for this scenario. Look for the section that offers a coming soon page. By clicking on this option, you instruct WordPress to display a temporary page that informs visitors that the site is undergoing maintenance. The coming soon mode is a valuable feature if you need to keep your website accessible without displaying ongoing development work or incomplete information. Finally, you conclude the process by ensuring that all your changes are saved. Locate the Save Changes option within the reading settings. Clicking on this button will apply the modifications you have made, officially setting your website to maintenance mode or under construction mode. At this point, visitors to your website will see the Coming Soon page and be aware that the website is temporarily unavailable for full browsing. This quick and efficient method allows you to manage your website's public appearance with ease while you work on updates or revisions behind the scenes. Enjoy full control over when and how your visitors see your website during maintenance periods, ensuring a professional upgrade process. With these simple steps completed, you have successfully activated a maintenance mode on your WordPress site.